Meaning of handsomely.
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 Handsomely. The word handsomely can be used as an adverb to describe a manner in which something is done or the extent to which someone is rewarded. When used to describe a manner, handsomely means in a generous, ample or large way, indicating that an action was carried out with great care or attention. When used to describe a reward, handsomely means a substantial or significant amount of something, typically money, given as a compensation or incentive for a job well done. Overall, handsomely suggests a sense of abundance, generosity, and satisfaction.